Welcome to Mac Moments. I am Melissa Chavez, founder and CEO. This podcast is a space for honest conversations about focus, leadership, and what it really looks like to build and grow a business in real time. Each episode is a moment to slow down, think clearly, and move forward with intention. Let us get started. What most businesses get wrong about growth. Growth is not always a win, and faster is not always better. If you're scaling your business without any structure, it just causes chaos. When you're growing your business, you want the big check. You want that big client. You want to know that you are providing a product or service to the end user and they are going to be ecstatic. Yes, we all want this. However, as you grow, make sure you have the systems in place to help the team, to help yourself execute. When I started my company 5 years ago, I knew I wanted to be big. I do want to be big. And everything that I did, whether it was preparing a quote for a client or invoicing a client or communicating with a vendor, any element of the business, everything that I did, I developed SOPs, standard operating procedures. I've had the fortunate experience of having both corporate career experience as well as private setting career experience. And through all of the knowledge that I gained, I understand that having standard operating procedures is instrumental in success. It's instrumental in understanding what steps need to be taken for the next project. If I had not done that, we would not be in the position we are in now. My team would not know how to execute things. As we continue to grow and as we are expecting so much more growth in our business, we continue to evolve and build more procedures, more training options for the team as they grow. And the beautiful thing is when you do things like that is everybody's on the same page. Everybody knows what to expect. There's no surprise. If something fell through, it's because of the fact that they weren't following the procedure. Or if something fell through, what did we learn from it? How can we make it better and make it part of our process so we don't do that again? Growth is something that most small businesses want. It's one of the reasons we go into business for ourselves. We want that freedom. We want that excitement of owning our own business, going to the volleyball games, going to the basketball games. My daughter was in sports, so I'm just sharing that. But if you go into business and you don't have the structure and you're not intentional, it's not going to be successful. I hate to be so blunt, but it will hurt you in the long run. Make sure that everything you do aligns with your values, of your mission, of what you have originally set out to do in this career path of yours. And just know that healthy growth should support your business, not suffocate it. Thank you for spending this moment with me. If today's conversation resonated, I invite you to follow Mac Moments on your podcast platform so you do not miss future episodes. Growth does not happen all at once. It happens moment by moment. I appreciate you being here, and I look forward to our next conversation.